My damsels are sick, they could handle the dick. They follow all orders, my plans till they stick. A Manson type click, cause I'm handsome as shit. Got them dancing around campfires, prancing and shit. Here I go again, I'm just ranting and shit. While currently they're planning on banning my clique. And I just wrote a footer, so hand me my dick. And the booty so big that the panties don't fit. Just all on the bitch, call on the bitch, fall on the bitch, put my balls on the bitch, stall on the bitch, you haul on the bitch. Never trip over nor fall on the bitch. It's all on the bitch, call on the bitch, ball on the bitch, put my balls on the bitch, stall on the bitch, you haul on the bitch. Never trip over nor fall on the bitch. Tattoos on the bitch, Cancun on the bitch. I usually just cruise, I don't choose on the bitch. Oh, who's on the bitch? Who's on the bitch? Brand new flannel and some shoes on the bitch. I ran on the bitch, 100 grand on the bitch. And if I can't reach it, I'ma stand on the bitch. Kill a cam on the bitch, I go scram on the bitch. If I jump off a cliff, probably land on the bitch. Fuck Morgan Freeman, the way I be leaning. The blunts that I steam lean on me on the screen. Think that she leaving, I think that you dreaming. She drink on my semen, she constantly fiending. But I'm claustrophobic, I'm constantly fleeing. Give her bladder infections, constantly peeing. The car European, the mom from Koreans. She deep broke your kielbasa, but swear that she vegan. It's all on the bitch, call on the bitch, ball on the bitch, put my balls on the bitch, stall on the bitch, you haul on the bitch. Never trip over nor fall on the bitch. It's all on the bitch, call on the bitch, ball on the bitch, put my balls on the bitch, stall on the bitch, you haul on the bitch. Never trip over nor fall on a bitch.
When I get a bitch, I got a bitch. Right on. Remember that Mac the Bear? Yeah. Tried to steal one of my bitches. Yeah, I called him up on telephone. I said, hey man, come on to Japan, let's rap a taste on it, you know? So when he comes over, I told her to give him a little taste, cause she sure as shit wasn't getting none from me. See, that nigga wanted the honey. Oh wait, what's his name?